bring it left 5 millimeters.
Reading confirmed, 0.42.
Look closely at the contact here. This is exactly where the strata shifts.
I have the measurement and the photo log updated.
As you can see, the Y-shaped plan integrates the 3 wings. The spiral setbacks around the core are...
Okay, bring the load down the main haul road. Watch your spacing and confirm when clear.
The line runs clear to the basin over there.
All right, I'll keep an eye on the pressure readings.
Double check the alignment on grid line 4, then we're set.
Confirmed, Foreman. Everything is precisely on center.
Move this way slowly. Hoist. Slowly lower. Dog everything.
Okay, keep lowering. Tension looks good. Confirming target depth in sight. Set it down easy. All right, team, looking good. Crane, bring it down another 5 meters, very slowly. How is the slump looking on this batch? We are ready to pour. Hold that rate, keep it coming.
Roger that. Flow is steady.
Easy now, bring it up another foot.
Confirmed, confirmed. We're at the mark.
Okay, boss, taking the tension now.
Confirmed, all clear, bring it up. Check the plumb on these starter bars. Make sure they match the core zone mark exactly. We need this precise. This sleeve needs to shift slightly left.
Okay, I'll adjust it now.
Is the grounding strap clear here?
Make sure the cover is set correctly on row 3.
Roger that, checking now. That should hold for the pour.
Cable secured. Moving to the next junction.
All supports are locked in place. Safety confirms the zone is clear. We are ready for the pour.
All right, crew, pace is good. Moving to the next section now. Keep the vibrators tight around the steel. Keep that pace up, we're moving fast tonight. Next truck, you're up, pull into bay 1. Check the readings on zone 4. Are we holding temperature?
Yes, sir. All sensors are within range. The cables look good.
All right, bring that panel down slowly. Watch the yellow line.
Roger that, coming down.
We are spot on the reference point. Alignment confirmed.
Hold it there. Bring her around slowly to the north. We need precise alignment.
Confirm the measurements on the MEP sleeves.
They are aligned.
Ensure the rebar spacing meets the requirements.
Watch the slump right there. Keep it moving.
Roger that, bringing it up slowly.
How does the surface look overall?
Mostly good. A few minor voids, but the finisher is taking care of those now.
Send it up slowly. Roger that. Moving now. All harnesses secure.
As you can see, the core is finished. We're now setting the podium columns, which define the 3 wings of the structure.
Checkpoint 4, Delta is reading 002.
Roger that, logging the data now.
We're clear for the next lift on the south side. Keep the pace up. Forming is looking good.
Over.
Keep the flow steady on the west side. Watch the levels near the bulkhead.
Copy that. Easing off the throttle now.
Set the rebar down right on the mark. Roger that, easy now.
All right, lower it slowly into the frame.
Steady as she goes.
Confirm connection. Engage the pins. We need that concrete pump moved to the south side ASAP. Roger that. Moving the line now. Watch the rails.
We need to verify the setback from this edge marker. The sequencing shows a 4-foot extension here.
Make sure that setback is perfectly aligned. Reading confirms the new line, boss. Looking good. We have the lock.
Coordinates verified, good alignment.
Control, this is Marshall. Perimeter rails on the setback are secure and properly spaced. Ready for night shift handover.
Double check the alignment on those hangers against the sleeves below.
Looks good, boss. Secured the bundle now.
That's torque to spec.
The alignment looks perfect. Let's log it.
All right, mixer 7, pull forward for ice. The sequence is holding. Over. Pump is pressurized. Flow commencing.
Copy that. Flow received at the deck. Keep it steady.
Keep it moving to the left, slow down the pump. Roger that, slowing the pump.
Inspection complete on this section.
We are pressurized and ready to lift.
Keep that line steady. Wind's picking up.
The spacing looks consistent. Can you verify the torque reading on this anchor point?
Easy, easy. Hold it right there. A little to the left.
All right, swing that load to the north wing. Watch the rebar stack. Copy that. Swinging north. Torque is set.
Verified. Looking secure.
Base, this is observation post 4. Array mounting is complete.
This is the main buttress core. The materials you are carrying must be distributed evenly down these 3 branching corridors to maintain the schedule.
Check the clamp tension on section 12, about 50 feet up.
Noted. I'll make sure it's logged for the next shift.
Slow it down. Bring the hose back. We're filling up fast on this side. All right, easy down. We've got 10 feet to go. 10 feet. Watch the wind on that east side. Roger that. 5 feet, looking good.
Everything looks secure, Captain. Checklist signed.
Good. Keep the communication open regarding the wind speeds.
We need to coordinate the MEP rough-in before we close up these walls. Ensure the cable trays are properly secured.
Bring it down 20 feet. Watch the wind.
Control point 4 is clear. Verifying position now.
Slump is holding well, right at 180 millimeters.
Good. Let's maintain that pace through the pour.
All right, clear the deck now.
Roger that. Hydraulics engaged.
Check your lines, everyone. Secure the area.
Make sure the hangers are secured before we lift the next section of duct.
Okay, easy down on my mark. Watch the corner, it's tight. Hold it right there.
Keep the flow steady at sector 4. Watch the vibrator depth. Confirm consolidation.
Alignment confirmed. Plumb and twist within tolerance. Proceed with spire rigging.
Confirmation received. Sequence is active. Bring it up slow.
Easy now. Bring it down 5 centimeters. Clear on this side. Watch the cabling.
Alignment confirmed. Proceed with final torque.
Good work, team.
Bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the tag lines.
Coming down steady, boss.
Okay, lock it in.
Alignment on panel 7 looks good.
Yes. Confirmed. Torque that bolt. Alignment is perfect on this segment. Let's move down.
Harness checked. Keep the area clear below.
Valve is fully open, holding steady.
Data recorded.
Looks good from here.
All the corridor lights are trimmed and tested, Supervisor.
Good. I'll mark that as complete on the list.
We have the load secured. Begin descent to the staging area. All clear on my side. Roger, all pins removed, ready for the lift.
Confirmed. Tensioning the slongs now. Hoist.
Zone 4 looking good. Mark it down, Sarah.
Already done, boss. Moving to the next one now.
Are these readings consistent with the last check?
Yes, Supervisor. The sealant around the valve just needs reinforcement.
A little lower on your side.
How's that look now?
How's that look now? Perfect. Lock it in. Keep the line perfectly straight right here and tap that one down flush. Elena, un poco más de agua aquí, por favor. Y revisa la línea de goteo.
Please make sure that entire section is cleared. We need it spotless by noon.
All right, team, initiating the upper array sequence now.
Copy. Sequence engaged. Looking good from here.
The pressure differential on the chiller loop is trending outside the acceptable parameters here.
Yes, I see that. Adjust the set point by 2 degrees and monitor closely.
Control room, Technician A.
Alarm sequence in silence. Drill key.
As you can see, the reinforcement here meets the structural requirements. We can sign off on this section.
Gap is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Bay 7 is complete.
Looks good. Keep it up.
this is Officer A. Checkpoint access verified. Moving to Sector 4.
This building is absolutely stunning in person.
I agree, the lobby is just as nice. Are we meeting them upstairs? All right, team, this concludes the final briefing. The handover is effective immediately. All access cards and keys are now live.
Look how the light hits the spire.
It just goes on forever, doesn't it?
I can't even fit it all in the frame.
Good evening, welcome.
Thank you.
Look at how tall it is. It just disappears into the clouds.
Wow, it's incredible. Here is